If you want to learn how I was able to take this trade, all right, not just this trade, also this trade, all right, and this trade, this trade, and this trade as well. So now guys, this is it. I started a challenge this week which is titled Set and Forget Challenge, and on this month of October I've been able to take 6 trade. If you look carefully, you will see that all these trade are numbered. This was the second trade I took on this challenge, and if you can come here clearly, this was my first trade. All right, this is the only trade that has not hit TP on this challenge, and the only reason that this trade is currently floating on a loss is because for this challenge I promised my community that every single trade we're going to be taking, we are either going to be hitting take profits or we are going to be hitting stop lose, and this trade was able to float in profits, almost getting close to my TP, but you can see the pullback. Now guys, if you want to actually learn how to trade and get sniper entry like this one, all right, I've put together a course that is going to help you become a profitable trader. Trust me, this is the only course you're going to be finding on the internet that come with money bank guarantee. That means after you've taken this course or this mentorship and you are not a successful or a profitable forex trader, I'm going to be giving you your money back. Now, to show you that all this trade that I just showed to you, all this sniper entry, this sell, this buy, I actually share this trade with my community on my Telegram. Now let me show you from my Telegram, so you will see that all this trade we actually shared is not just a makeup story. This was when we started the challenge. If you can read very well, you can see it. This is my trading community. All right, now this was that Euro USD sell trade that you can see here on my screen, and this was when I called the trade. All right, you can see that I called the trade here. So people on this group were actually, this was one guy that was on the live session where we call the GBP SND. You can see his response here, and you can see the Euro GBP sell opportunity or trade call here also. All right, so all the trade that I actually showed you, I actually call all this trade. So this is the GBP SND, the sell opportunity that you see, and it was actually our fourth trade. So you can see that I share all those trades here. This is the GBP analysis we made, but price did not give us that entry. So this is the GBP CHF, the fifth trade I told you that is currently running, but we are not yet in profit. All right, if you come further, you're going to see the sixth trade. This was the sixth trade, the GBP SND. All right, so guys, all these trades I showed you were shared here, and trust me, I am not making up this story. So the result is here. If you want to join this Telegram channel, the link will be on this video you are watching, anywhere around the screen. Click it and join. All right, so we are actually offering you this course for just $20. $20. You're going to be having access to this forex course. Now, what is coming with this forex course is you're going to be having access to my 3-month mentorship, and from that mentorship we are going to be doing 2 to 3 times live training every week. All right, every week. And also, let me show you guys something. All right, if you join the Telegram channel, you're going to be having more details about this mentorship, because I was able to record a full video, all right, that explained the mentorship. As you can see, some people are already paying for the mentorship. All right, we have some people that have already paid the $20, because remember, this is the video that explained the full mentorship. All right, so if you are watching this video and you want to be part of this mentorship, this is only the strategy that you need to become a successful forex trader. And by the time you're done with this mentorship and you do not become a profitable forex trader, come back and I will refund you your money. Yes, I mean it. I will give you back your money, as long as what I will be teaching you and sharing with you on this mentorship, you follow them, you apply them, and you do not become a profitable forex trader, I will give you back your money. So guys, if you like this offer, take advantage of this early bird price, which is the $20, and you have from now till November 1st to make payment and join this mentorship, because class will start from 1st of November and it's going to be running for 3 months, and it's going to be online class, so no distance is barrier. So wherever you're seeing this video, take advantage of this opportunity and join this mentorship to actually cash smart trade and become a profitable forex trader. So see you guys, and